How to build a simple budget spreadsheet. Firstly, go to Google Spreadsheet and open a blank spreadsheet. Now on the first column, type in your categories. You can simply follow whatever I'm doing right here. You can also pause the video to copy on your spreadsheet. After we are done typing this, then we will also format it. As you can see, a lot of words are going out of the cell, so you can simply increase the cell size. And just like that, your spreadsheet template has been completed. Now let's format this. Firstly, I will select the top row and change its color. This is completely optional and you can even skip it, but it's just that a different color will really separate the sections. Now I will just format the top row. Select the top row and go to alignments. You will see the alignment icon on the top panel. Then go to the format section and select alignment, then click on middle. This will make the text in the center. After this, I'm just gonna increase the cell size. To do this, you can simply hold and drag the numbers on the top left. Then drag the line simply down to make the cells bigger. And now I will add a border around this. Select the whole table and click on the border icon. I just wanna add border on the very outer part. So click on this icon. After this, you are done. Now start writing the details. That's all for today. Thank you.